Happy Tuesday! It's sight word day again. So this week we have 3 new sight words. Every week we get 3 new ones, and every week we have to practice because sight words are words that we have to put in our memory. We have to memorize them. So our 3 sight words this week: hour, big, came. So what I want you to do is get a piece of paper and a pencil, and you can practice during this video. We're going to practice how to say them, how to spell them, and how to write sentences with our sight words. Our first sight word this week is hour. So we're going to practice this 3 times. Let's say hour, O-U-R, hour, hour, O-U-R, hour. Okay, one more time. Hour, O-U-R, hour. So after you get a chance to write them down on your own, pause the video, and then we're going to practice a sentence. Okay, so let me show you the sentence that I came up with. Let's try to read it together. Now remember, we talked about this last week. When writing sentences, we have to start our sentence with an uppercase letter, and we need to use our spaceman or our finger spaces in between every single word. And then at the end of your sentence, you have to have a punctuation. So it's a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. So let's read this together. This is our school. This is our school. Okay, it's your turn. I want you to write sentences with the word hour in it. Okay, now we're going to move on to our second sight word. Our second word is big. B-I-G, big. Let's say it again, big. B-I-G, big. One last time, big. B-I-G, big. Okay, so practice writing that on your paper a few times. And now I'm going to show you the sentence that I came up with. Let's read this together. I see a big green tree. And check my sentence because I have all 3 things we're looking for. An uppercase letter, finger spaces in between every single word, and there's a period at the end of the sentence. I have my punctuation. So let's read it again. I see a big green tree. Okay, so now you try. I want you to write a sentence with the word big. And last word this week is came. Let's practice our word. Came. C-A-M-E. Came. Let's practice it 2 more times. Came. C-A-M-E. Came. Last time. Came. C-A-M-E. Came. And my sentence this week is this. He came on to the boat. Once again, we have finger spaces in between every single word. We have an uppercase letter, and we have punctuation at the end. So let's read it one more time together. He came on to the boat. Okay, now it's your turn to write a sentence with the sight word came.